Nice, right? Yeah, there's the idea today. Got plenty of gold. I heard this guy said, don't record the moment because you won't remember it. You can't live it. So there you go, my video. Awesome. All right, faceless miner. I'm on a super secret mission. I can't tell anybody where I'm going. So, you coming to the river or what? Yeah, I'll be there in a minute. Welcome to another episode of Vacation Gold. This episode is going to be high wind gold. That's right, folks. It is high wind in the Sierra time, and the faceless miner is on the North Fork of the American River. Oh my goodness. Everything's blowing, folks. October 27th. All right, so about a mile or two from the river, we got old ponderosa pine. Dead as a door now. Victor's gonna try to leverage that up. I'm just gonna sit here and record him while he does that. Not. All right, all you haters out there. We made short work of that tree. We got more trees in the way, player. We're gonna do the same thing. Me and Victor, gonna use our brains. Gonna get the shit out of the way. Let's go, Vic. The road has been cleared. Alrighty, we haven't moved but about a quarter mile from that last log blow down, and guess what we find? Whew. Another log blow down. Third one of the day, folks. Alright, so we just cleared that pile of brush out of the way. We were so fortunate that this big old log wasn't in the way. But you know what happened? We come around the corner, guess what? That's a road blocker. We're gonna have to go down to the cabin and get a chainsaw on this one, folks. I'm having lunch in the back of my van, but I hear the guys down there with the saw, so I gotta get down there and help them. God dang it. And there you go. We're free down to the river. All the big boys came with the big toys. Listen to that wind. Oh my goodness. Oh, pine cone just hit me on the shoulder. Look at that wind, man. Okay, so we just crossed right there, North Fork. Yeah, we don't come from the parking lot prepared. Look at that, boxer shorts. Still windy as a mother. Oh no, look at the trees. All right, faceless miner, hell windy day. Oh my goodness. Still find gold though. Right across from Humbug Bar, Joe Grouse just found himself what I'd call a mini picker. That's right, boys and girls. Mini picker. Read it and weep. Yee! And you know where I found it? Second pin of the day right here in this crack. Yeah, just right in that little crack. Nice, Victor. I like that, bro. All right, back at the North Fork, and faceless miner's gonna move those 8 rocks and see if he can reveal a crack, because this crevice that just paid about a half a gram right there, only 10 feet away. Don't look like anybody's moved those rocks, so I think I can move about 2, 4, 6, 8. No. See how it goes. Get back to you. All right, so I moved those 8 rocks, and they're like an old quartz pocket. And you know what? I wouldn't really dig in there anymore, but I gave it a shot. I'm driving home, and I'm all by myself. And there's a log crossing the road, and thank goodness it's broke in the middle. First one I ran across, so I hope there's no more. might. You just never know what you're going to come across. Lamborghini. My favorite, man, GT40. Allard. Bentley. Ferrari. Must be like $1 million for the cars.